My friends, it is your friend, CryptoFace. And folks, it is that time. It is time for us to just break it down, time frame to time frame, market cipher analysis, and a couple opinions of you people. What some of you people been saying out there. Talk about a bunch of flip-floppers. Not so long ago, everyone was saying, oh, we need a pullback. Oh, inflation's bad. Oh, money printing go brr. Oh, man, that shit pissed. Money printing go brr. Right? Money printer bad. Now you're all wishing it. Now you finally get what we've been waiting for, a pullback. We get what we've been waiting for. Bring it on if it's the book. Bring it on. It's what this country needs. Hopefully, most of you are just trolling and talking a little shit. But if you really are like, Trump bad, market down, Trump bad, then you're a fucking idiot. Excuse my French. Bring it on. Necessary. Now, that being said, shit's hitting the fan, I guess, with crypto. You know what I'm saying? The weekly, starting out, let's take a look. Let's just go from top to bottom. The weekly. Listen, I know we were staring at this inwardly curved VWAP curvature. We were hoping for this momentum wave for the next week for it to finally clip up. It did not. It is not. In fact, it's actually inwardly curved. This momentum, I don't see that every day. An inwardly curved outside momentum wave. Yikes. Damn. So bring it on. America will win a trade war. Bring on the trade war. We'll win the trade war. Probably have a better chance at winning that. I'd rather be in a trade war than a real war. We'd probably lose a real war against China and Russia. Let's be honest. Anyways, let's get back to the chart. So, yeah, the weekly still obviously looking ugly. We're in the middle of the week. By the way, the trading, you know, it's been a little gambly. We'll stick to the subject. I'll get to that later. Okay, here we go here. The 5-day, obviously looking like shit. Momentum coming down. Yikes. Money flow coming down. R size tightly coming down. All right. Let's go to the 2-day. 2-day, more of the same. Deep gates are open on the momentum wave. It's even opening up. Money flow coming down. Lower low on money flow. R size down, red, down, 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 red, down, red, down, red. What about the spider lines here? We'll go to the... These are the 1.0 spider lines. Spider line 2.0, 1.0. These are 2.0. No, these are 1.0s. These are OG spider lines. I guess next stop, fucking 72,000. 72. Let's get rid of those real quick, though. Pretty it up. Yep. Looking ugly. You don't need me, you know. Nothing new to see here. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Yellow X is firing up. Manipulation at play. Big moves at play. Makes sense. Come on. I mean, the game is just short. Come on now. We all know what's up. There's been no bounces. There's been absolutely no bounces on the micro time frames. You know, when shit's coming down, it's been like blah. No bounces. I have found that trading at night sucks. It's slow and choppy and fee blendering. Nighttime trading is not the time to trade right now. It's slow, wishy-washy, and it'll mind screw you. Take the time off. Get up early for market open, maybe like an hour before market open. But really, it's after market open. At least for me, that's when the success has been there. After market open, when things are moving super fast, I'm going down to the 30-second, catching good fucking moves, getting in, boom, 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 getting out, bang, 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 bang. Even picked up a trade partner or two. Been swapping a couple trade partners. Been dancing with a couple other traders. It's been fun. Nothing beats trading alone, though. Let me make that clear. Trading with someone else is difficult because there's a whole lot of variables, but nothing beats trading alone. So stay alone, stay alone, stay alone. If you're not seeing anything confidently, then you should not confidently do anything. Confidently, you shouldn't do anything. But shit's hitting the fan. Is there really anything to see? Is there anything new to see here? Is there anything new to see here? Ooh, baby, let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's going to be open season. What about the non-logs? Open season on the spider lines. All right. 73, 73.5. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I mean, just shorten the momentum waves. Catching longs is extremely dangerous right now. Extremely dangerous. Short the momentum waves. And your money flows. Basic strategy still in play. Just the strength is on the short side. Strength is on the short side. I mean, everything's pretty much doing the same thing. Yeah. Wow. Boy, I tell you, shit's hitting the fan. Shit is hitting the fan. But let's talk about today. So what's about today? What time is it? Okay, we got market open in like 2 hours. Tariff bullshit. Everything, shit's hitting the fan. Remember, the media is going to make a big deal out of it, a bigger deal out of it. When the truth is things have already been very bad. Prices of sugar, prices of your cars, prices of everything has already gone up 3x. We've already been through an internal trade war. We've already been America's been losing the trade war for years now, to the point where we don't produce anything. The COVID screwed everything. COVID doubled the price of cars. Doubled. An SUV that used to cost 40, 60 grand is now 100, 120 grand. That's insane. So not just America, but all countries need to come back down to their own and stick with their own a little bit more. We're all getting a little too gay and a little too friendly. We all don't need to be friends. And we all don't need to butt plug each other. Stick to your own kind. These damn countries need to stick to their own kind. Why is everyone so pushy on everyone? Man, God. Anyways, so big moves. Market open's been crazy. Be careful out there. You know what I'm saying? But obviously, the trend is down. So I'd be looking at, if you're scalping, looking at your 5-minute, maybe 10-minute, 15, 30-minute. I mean, you look at all the time frames, but we're looking for your momentum clips. As far as the pattern goes, the Jesus Take the Wheels have still been printing. When the RSIs are coming in red and they're like, God, I need to find an example. The RSIs will be close together in mid, in green, and then it dumps. In fact, if I go to ETH here, let me see if I can find it. Real quick. This is an unedited video, by the way. We're not editing this video. Gosh, where was it? Man, I saved my homie in he was going long on Ethereum, and I'm like, I saved him. I don't remember what time it was and where it was, whatever. These times, a lot of pain happens. I've already been seeing I've already gotten a couple messages from people that are in pain. I've seen people in pain. spoken with people that are in lots of pain. Do not risk everything you have on trading. If you risk all the money you have on trading, chances are you're going to lose it. And it was a bad decision in the first place to do that. And it's no one else's fault but your own. So don't be shooting me message going, oh, Jimmy was giving signals and I put everything I had and went to 100x and tried to do it. And if you think I'm talking about someone specifically, there's like 10 of you. I'm talking to all of you specifically. Stay out. Stay out. The market's going to be here tomorrow and the next day. If you don't know what's going on, stay out. If you don't have, you need two things to be able to trade. One is our strategies. What are strategies? There's a couple different kinds. There's the pattern strategies. Maybe every time I see a Jesus take the wheel, right when I see the Jesus take the wheel, I'm going to long right here. That is one strategy. That's a strategy. Basic strategy. When I see the money flow coming up, RSI's coming up, momentum coming up, all this shit coming up with the trend on a higher time, if I'm going to do that, that's another strategy. If you see a Saigon triangle pattern, and that pattern then dumps, that a Chinese Chong, if you see a Chinese Chong pattern that dumps, that's a strategy. So you need a real, you need real strategies. Okay, that's the first thing. Number two is if you got those, you have to wait until you see those. And when that shit happens, let's say you execute a trade, well, guess what? Number two is you have to deal with your ass. You have to actually take profit on the trade, get out, and then stay out, and not, oh, I'm going to close my trade and get right back in. There's no point in taking profits and getting right back in. Dumbest thing you can do. Just stay in the trade. I'm gonna take profits, get right back in. Unless you're slicing a little bit off the pot. But if you don't have a clear strategy, clear patterns, if you don't have a couple clear strategies in your holster, oh man, then what the hell are you doing? What the hell are we doing here? Have a little discipline. Walk away, man. It feels great to walk away. I take time off all the time. Shit, these past 2 days, I don't even know how long it's been. I think it's been, what, 1 or 2 days? I've been chilling. I went on a murdering spree, up, down, left, right. I've been trading hardcore for like a month, over a month, hardcore. I'm like, man, I don't want to trade right now. I need to, I need some time off. I need some time off. Need some time off. Even if it's just for a day or so. So, yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Be careful out there, folks. Good luck. God bless. And do not get yourself wrecked. There is, I'm telling you, if it was around, ooh, if Breakout Prop was around back then, ooh, I'd be running that shit. I'd be running amok on Breakout Prop. If a Breakout Prop was around back in the day, you pay a little bit of money to get 100x your money to trade with. You pass a test. It's an extreme risk reduction. And you know that if I lose 5% or 4%, if I lose X amount of dollars, I lose the account. So you're actually going to take profits and cut your losses. Brilliant. 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 So as far as TA goes, I mean, what do you want me to tell you? Shit's going to reverse or something. It's looking ugly. It's looking fucking ugly. And things are going extremely fast. Extremely fast. So what happened an hour ago really don't matter. I guess we can look at the spider lines. Spider lines matter. The next one for ETH is what? Down here, 1,300. Is that log or non-log? Here we go. Damn. Damn, that shit's crazy. Damn. Next one down. There is no more spider line. Oh my God, it's at 0. Can always draw a few more. So be careful out there. Be careful. It's a scalper's market or extremely low leverage shorting, you know. But then what happens when China comes back on their tariff deal? You know, all this, oh, tariff. Guess what? When China goes, okay, you know what? When China and Trump come to a deal, boop, that's going to be a big boom, banging day. And it's going to come out of nowhere. And if you're not careful, it's going to clap you. So don't get clapped, man. It might be time to go on vacation. If you're not locked in, stay out. And when I mean locked in, I mean Cholino-eyed on your monitors, getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, not being an idiot, control of your emotions, being happy with what you get, no regrets with what you didn't get. Man, if you cannot lock in right now, don't try it at all. If you can't lock in, don't try it at all. That's all I got to say.